Good morning, dear children. I hope you all have completed your previous chapters and your notebooks are ready to study for the exams. Today we are going to start with last chapter, chapter 10 of Geography, Life in the Deserts. In the previous chapter of Geography, Life in the Temperate Grasslands, we studied everything about prairies, vales, that is what type of vegetation is found, what is the climate found, the people, the flora, fauna, and everything about the grasslands. Today, we are going to study about the life of the people and the livelihood in the desert area. You all are very familiar with the desert as there is less water, less of everything. The climate, it's too hot in summers and too hot in winters, and less of water. Due to less water, the greenery, the vegetation is very less. So we shall be discussing each and everything about the deserts, especially Sahara Desert, the biggest desert. So let's start with the chapter Life in the Deserts. So children, I was talking about the desert. In this chapter, we will be studying about the two main deserts. And first among these two is Sahara Desert. You know where Sahara is? Sahara is a desert in northern Africa. Sahara is a desert in northern Africa. How big is the Sahara? The Sahara is 3.3 million square miles and it covers, children, 25% of Africa. And the Sahara alone is almost bigger than the United States of America. So it's so big that it is bigger than USA. So can you imagine how big is Sahara Desert? Then what tribes live in the Sahara Desert? Who all lives? The Tuareg tribe lives in the Sahara and trade caravans, gold, ivory and salt. So the Tuareg tribes, they live in this desert and they trade caravans, gold, ivory and salt. Now you might be wondering, when they live in the desert, what do they eat? So in the Sahara, a typical meal is first of all camel milk. So they drink camel milk with dried dates or porridge with butter sauce. So this is their food. They drink camel milk with dried dates or porridge with butter sauce. Now children, animals which are found in the Sahara Desert: scorpions, snakes, elephants, giraffes, camels. So these are the main animals which are found in the Sahara deserts. So I'll repeat once more: scorpions, snakes, elephants, giraffes and camels. Now, why is an oasis important? Children, do you know what is oasis? Oasis is a small water body in the desert, a place where very little water, a type of pond is found in the desert area. So why is it important? An oasis is important because it helps give water to communities. So this oasis is very important in desert because it provides water to the communities, to the people living in the desert and the nearby areas. 3 topographical features which are found in the Sahara. First, wadis. Wadis is a temporary water source found mainly in the mountains. Regs take up about 70% of the Sahara with black, red or white sand. Ergs take up about 20% of the Sahara and are full of sand dunes. So the features, the three topographical features which are found in this area are: first is wadis. It is a temporary water source which is found in the mountains. Then the next is rugs. They take up 70% of the Sahara with black, red or white sand. And the third is ergs. They take up about 20% of the Sahara and are full of sand dunes. Now, can you guess what is the temperature of Sahara Desert? Any guesses? Let's see. The average temperature in the Sahara is about 109 degree Fahrenheit. The Sahara holds September 13th, 1922, the world record for the highest temperature recorded in Libya on this day, and the temperature was 136 degree Fahrenheit. So, what is the Sahara's temperature? The average temperature is about 109 degree Fahrenheit. And the Sahara holds, children, on 13th September 1922, the world's highest temperature is recorded in Libya, and the temperature was 136 degree Fahrenheit. Now, any guesses about the type of rainfall? Yes, the rainfall is very low in this area because this area is fully covered with sand, and as very less rainfall is received by this area, the vegetation is almost nil. So the Sahara gets 0.1.5 inches of rainfall in a year. So which means that very less rainfall is found in this area of Sahara Desert. Sahara is in 11 different countries. So Sahara is such a big desert that it is spread wide apart amongst 11 different countries. So what are those 11 countries? Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Africa. I repeat once more, the 11 different countries where Sahara is found are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Africa. Now, Sahara's climate. The Sahara gets very little rainfall and is very hot. It has less or little vegetation, and this is where animals such as lions, snakes, elephants and scorpions they live. This is the Sahara's climate. So children, the Sahara Desert gets very little rainfall and it is very hot. So due to its less rainfall and hotness, it has little vegetation, and the animals which are found here are lions, snakes, elephants and scorpions, and this is the Sahara's climate. So children, this is all about Sahara Desert, and everything in detail it is given in your book. And the children, one thing more, the people here, the different types of people which live here, they are Bedouins and Tuaregs. And these groups, they are nomadic tribes and they rear goats, sheep, camels and horses. And these animals provide them with milk and hides from which they make leather for belts, slippers, water bottles, and hair is used for mats, carpets, clothes, and blankets. Children, they wear heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot deserts. And the discovery of oil, a product in great demand throughout the world, in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt, is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. Other minerals which are found in the area, it includes iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. So children, this is all about Sahara Desert. Go through the chapter for more understanding. And in the next class, we will be studying about the cold desert. As I have told you, Sahara is the hot desert. So in the next class, we will be studying about the cold desert, Ladakh. So go through the chapter for better understanding of Sahara Desert. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.